And welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and customize a professional lower third in CapCut. So just first open CapCut and then create a new project, import the video that you want to edit, and then just go to text, this one, and then go to text template. And then in here for the lower third template, maybe you can go to the social media menu like this, or flux, or maybe news, this one, like this. You can see many lower templates, lower third templates like this. For example, like this. You can just add to your video like this for the templates, and then adjust the size, adjust the positions like this, adjust the durations, for example, like this. And then after that, you can also replace the default text or title with your own text on here. For example, like this, just like that. You can feel free to change or replace the text on here, and you can also adjust the size like this, adjust the size, positions, and you can adjust the font size like this, font size, pattern, and then color on here like this, and then alignment. And then you can just feel free to edit your text on here, the text on your lower third like this. Just feel free to edit it, and just like that, you will successfully make this professional lower third in CapCut using the text template. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.